First job, first interview, everything first. But both of us had same surname.
Hey, scrap whatever she said. Now listen to what I am saying, and this is what you have to do.
You might have even taken a pay cut.
Hi, I'm Parnika.
And hi, I am Shivani, and welcome to our podcast. I think we need to talk. So, I'm a corporate girly with 3 years of experience and somewhat of freelance and internship experience. And Parnika here has so much of experience. Batao zara.
So, I am also a corporate girly, and to be honest, this is the first time I'm doing a podcast, and thanks to you, I've actually found that courage ki yaar, I can do this. And I have been in this corporate world for 5 years, and I think after 5 years of experience, it's a good time to, talk about our first job.
I
So, actually,
Great stories there.
amazing stories. So Shivani, actually, I wanted to know ki, because everyone has like different experiences of their first job, first interview. How is your first interview?
Oh, definitely. I would like to tell about it. Like, I would like to tell about my first job, first interview, everything first. As we know, to get any job, we have to give interview. ऐसा नहीं हो जाता कि लोग आपको स्काउट करके एंड ढूंढ के निकालते ओ माय गॉड दिस इज द गाय जिसने दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा रिसर्च करा है इसको पता है कि पानी को डीकंटामिनेट कैसे कर सकते हैं इन द मोस्ट एफिशिएंट वे तो इसको हम अपनी कंपनी में हायर करेंगे
How, एक minute, sorry, just one thing. How science student of you to use that as an example?
या सो PCM स्टूडेंट मी हियर तो इट्स ओनली इन 1% ऑफ द केसेस जहाँ पे कंपनी खुद आपको ढूंढते हुए आती है कि भाई तू ही वो बंदा है जो हमारी ज़िंदगी संवार सकता है तो आजा otherwise in all the cases you have to apply through multiple portals LinkedIn talk to your professors if they are like very active in the market and you have to first of all look for interviews like get your resume updated and created whatever क्योंकि उस टाइम तो पहली बार ही बनाया था मैंने
Yeah.
ठीक है तो अपना रेज्यूमे बनाना होता है एंड देन यू पुट लाइक थ्रो योर रेज्यूमे एवरीवेयर एंड होप समथिंग स्टिक्स एंड यू गेट अ इंटरव्यू ठीक है लाइक कैसा भी कॉलेज हो कितना भी बड़ा कॉलेज हो या कैसा भी कॉलेज हो इवन इफ़ यू आर फ्रॉम लाइक इंडिया का बेस्ट कॉलेज जो साइंस के फील्ड में विच इज़ IISc बैंगलोर
Oh yes.
यस ठीक है इट्स नॉट दैट इज़ नॉट माई कॉलेज बट या दिस वन ठीक है देयर ऑल्सो यू विल हैव टू थ्रो योर रेज्यूमे एवरीवेयर एंड होप समथिंग स्टिक्स सो मैं वही कर रही थी आई वॉज पुटिंग माई रेज्यूमे एवरीवेयर ऑन लिंक्डइन प्रोफेसर्स को भी दे रखा था लाइक वेरी रेयर बट स्टिल मोर लाइक कि हमारे कॉलेज में ही देयर वर मल्टीपल स्टार्टअप्स एंड वो हमारे सीनियर्स ही वो स्टार्टअप रन कर रहे थे तो इन दैट पोर्टल इटसेल्फ जहाँ पे वो सारे स्टार्टअप्स ने अपनी जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ लिस्ट कर रखी थी आई गेव माई रेज्यूमे जस्ट होपिंग कि कुछ आ जाएगा आई वॉज नॉट होपिंग फॉर एनी थिंग फ्रॉम देयर सच बताऊँ तो लाइक वॉज रियली नॉट होपिंग फॉर एनी थिंग देयर बट लकीली आई गॉट अ opportunity from that place only ठीक है I got a straight away call from the founder itself
Oh, wow.
ठीक है तो but the company was only 1 year old like it was a very small company maybe only like 50 people only
50 is also वैसे too much.
हाँ
in
मैं भी
today's
यही
world.
सोच रही हूँ कि 50 is actually too much ठीक है in today's time I have given interviews in a company where there are only 25-35 people because Elon Musk said that under root of X will also deliver same result as X
Oh.
you remember it
Oh God, we're talking about the great Elon Musk also. Okay.
हाँ तो आजकल तो काफ़ी छोटे छोटे लोगों कम
Yeah.
कम स्ट्रेंथ वाली कंपनीज भी हैं
Correct.
तो उस टाइम पे ही आई इंटरव्यूड इन अ स्मॉल स्टार्टअप विच वॉज ओनली 1 or 2 years old एंड द फाउंडर इट सेल्फ कॉल्ड एंड बोला कि अच्छा ठीक है आपसे बात करके तो सही लग रहा है लेट्स हैव अ इन पर्सन लाइक लेट्स हैव अ वर्चुअल इंटरव्यू उस टाइम पे कोविड चल रहा था तो इट लाइक येस एट दैट टाइम देर वॉज दिस थिंग कि आप इन पर्सन ही इंटरव्यू देते थे बट बिकॉज कोविड तभी नया नया आया था तो ऑल इंटरव्यूज़ वर शिफ्टेड ऑनलाइन ठीक है उससे पहले आप जाकर ही देते थे इवन फॉर माई कॉलेज फॉर एनी थिंग ठीक है तो ही सेड कि अच्छा ठीक है I do not want to say this, but both of us had same surname. So for him that clicked. For me, I was in a very critical thinking wala situation ki kya hai, how will it work out, because my surname has never worked out good for me. People have bullied me for this surname. Okay. So like so I was hoping कि यार neutral रहे बंदा, ठीक है, but maybe for him it was a like थोड़ा thing which clicked for him because very less number of people in that college had this surname.
Okay.
हाँ, तो maybe it clicked for him. Then he went through my portfolio. Now let me tell you what is the portfolio when you are applying for a designer job. Okay, for me I was applying for a UI UX designer job at that time. But if you are applying for any creative job, you will have a portfolio, or even for product manager jobs, you will have your decks.
Correct.
And you will tell a story where you will say that okay, this was the problem and I used this method and this is how I solved it. Okay, so I showed him my portfolio and he required a web UI UX designer. Okay, and whole of my portfolio was on app UI UX design. Okay, and but still he said okay, there is no problem, like see मैं तो बहुत ही ऐसे देश के गांव के लिए काम कर रहा हूँ.
So actually the surname worked, I feel here.
अब शो भी कहो. ठीक है, उसने कहा कि मैं देश के गांव के लिए काम कर रहा हूँ, मेरी लेजिट एक मॉरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, तो उसके लिए ये स्टार्टअप मैंने रन करा है.
okay.
ठीक है, तो वहाँ पे ही सेड कि तो वी ड्यू टू कोविड टाइम्स वी कैन ओनली पे दिस मच, लाइक लेजिट पीनट्स. बट अगर वो कोविड टाइम नहीं भी होते तो भी इट वॉज पीनट्स ओनली, बहुत ही स्मॉल अमाउंट. ठीक है, and in everyone to the company was paid that amount only. Apart from him, everyone was paid that amount only. ठीक है.
Okay.
Now and then he said कि आप अपना स्टार्टअप ही समझो, हमें सैटरडे संडे भी काम करना है इस पे, अपना स्टार्टअप ही आपको समझ के काम करना है, पूरी जान लगा दो. पूरा उसने मोटिवेट किया मेरे को. Now come closer and let me tell you, if you are अपना स्टार्टअप समझ के कर रहे हो ना कहीं पे काम, you need to have good amount of equity. ठीक है.
But एक minute, for the viewers, what is equity? Like if you can like explain that also.
So what is equity? तो इक्विटी एक सर्टेन पार्ट ऑफ कंपनी है जो आपकी है. ठीक है, मतलब अगर कंपनी कल को 100 रुपया कमाती है किसी भी तरह एंड यू हैव 3% 4% इक्विटी, तो आपने वो 3 या 4 रुपये कमाए हैं. कल को अगर कंपनी 100 रुपये में बिक जाती है तो आपको 3 रुपये या 4 रुपये मिलेंगे बिकॉज यू हैव इक्विटी. ठीक है, पहले तो 3-4% इक्विटी होना बहुत बड़ी बात है, फाउंडर्स नहीं देते हैं.
Yeah.
ठीक है, इट्स लाइक इट्स 0.1% भी मिल जाए वो भी बहुत बड़ी बात होती है. ठीक है, आई डोंट नो, लाइक ऑब्वियसली एवरी वन वुड बी पॉजिटिव फॉर देयर
Yeah.
कंपनी. ठीक है, सो दैट इज सो point is whenever you are working for a startup and thinking कि ये आपका खुद का startup है, you should definitely have equity. So this guy is totally telling me कि हाँ तुम्हारा ही startup है, अपना समझ के काम करो. तुम like legacy person हो इस startup की, एक बार तुमने establish कर दिया तो सब कुछ तुम्हारा ही है. I was like wow. ठीक है, and then I went inside the company. I realized there were many people in that company with my surname.
Oh shit.
Yes, it was there. ठीक है, अब देखो इसका रीज़न ये भी हो सकता है कि people were his relatives. ठीक है, और maybe he was biased.
Okay. So actually, I have a very similar background wali story, but a different experience.
Okay.
So I was like, for my first job also, you know, it started as an internship.
Okay.
So in my
Wait, before going forward, what is an internship?
So internship is like you're not like paid, you're not a permanent employee of it, and like if I'm a permanent employee and I'm getting 100 rupees, an intern would get lesser amount of work but a lesser amount of salary also for that. So
Many times you get same amount of work.
yeah, but then it's not a permanent position right now, and you're like trying to get that permanent position
Exactly.
through internship. So like that's actually internship, and if you get an internship, it's not a proper कि भाई तेरी job है ये. You have to like hard earn that PPO offer, which is pre-placement offer to get that job. So I got this internship, and like we were 3 people who were only selected for this job for this company, and it was a service-based company working for a good big MNC. Like I'm not gonna name logos here.
It's okay.
But we were working for a big logo and we were the service based company. Now only 3 of us got hired from the entire campus, and one of us left because she got another opportunity, and then it was just me and the other guy. And when you talk about the management type, तो वहाँ पे the guy who was the point of contact between the service based company and the big logo company was actually from the same village where the second guy was. So even though I was like performing much better, I knew much more, I had like better skills and everything, he used to get better work and everything. And even though in the less amount of work I got more recommendations from that big logo company ki, oh, she's doing better. And when it came to like getting a final conversion for that logo, he got that because they were from the same village. So
Like it was your opportunity and he took it.
yeah, because like he said, oh, you're from the same village and everything, so we are from the same village, so he got that job and I did not, and I was put on bench. I mean, of course I was not laid off or anything, but I was put on bench for that. And the funny part is that guy got so many escalations.
यही होना चाहिए ऐसे लोगों के साथ.
So many escalations because he was not good at what he was doing. He was just there because of some biasness, right? So yeah, I think that's a whole different story. I mean, same story, different experience.
Yeah, and different outcome.
Yeah.
For that guy, it's similar outcome.
But for me, it was a different outcome.
Like when you are putting in so much of effort in your job, and then just because of this reason, if the opportunity goes to someone else, it's very disheartening.
Yeah.
I cannot believe this still happens in India.
Yeah, same. I agree.
And that too with well-educated people. So,
Yeah.
okay, so now let's get back. Yeah, let's get back to my first job story
Yes.
and everything. Okay, lighten up the mood. So now I went inside and I saw that okay, many people are working. There was actually one more designer who was very inactive. Most of the time they were AFK. I don't know what was the reason.
AFK, ek minute. Let's talk about the lingo which are like corporate lingos so that our viewers can also understand.
Yes, what is AFK? AFK means away from the keyboard. Okay, yeah, which means you are offline for a while and you are not here to respond. And if this guy shows that they are AFK, you should call them. Okay.
Like in a toxic company, please. Not in a company where you have actually written AFK and people do not respect that.
Yeah, so first judge if this is a toxic company, and if it's a toxic company, you should definitely call them, because if you will not call them, your manager will be angry on you and you will have to take the heat of them not working. So better call. It's not always the company is toxic. Sometimes just teams are toxic.
Yeah,
Okay.
well, yeah.
So don't uniformly judge whole company.
Yeah.
Okay. Your manager can be the best person, and someone else managers can be
The worst ones.
or even better.
Fair. I mean,
बुराई नहीं करते
बुराई
लोगों
नहीं
की.
करते. Yeah.
We are too young for that.
Yeah.
So yeah, I went inside. The other designer is AFK whole of the time. I have no KT that what needs to be done. So I asked the founder itself, okay, क्या करना है? काम बताओ. He says, this is our current website. We have given X amount to make this website through a freelancer. It's like, okay. And your monthly salary, उसने वो बोला नहीं, but मैं बता रही हूँ, your monthly salary is X by 5. Okay? You have to redesign this whole website and add new features.
Oh my god.
Yeah. So this is what happens to the interns, that you are paid so less, and then they expect the same level of agency ownership. मतलब आपको खुद करना है, मतलब आपको कुछ पैसे नहीं देंगे और आपको खुद सब कुछ काम करके देना है.
And एक minute, not just that, also the amount of cream, like polished results चाहिए उनको, एकदम perfection ही चाहिए. चाहे तुम college से just graduated हो, they want like just the perfection from you, because you know what, we are paying you.
Exactly. ऐसा भी नहीं, वो 1 रुपया भी पे कर रहे होंगे ना, but we paid
you. You are paid for this only.
Oh my god. Okay.
Yeah.
So okay, he said redesign this website. I was like, okay, ठीक है. I was like, okay, I have an opportunity. So at that year, in that year, like I was in probably second year somewhere. Okay, so it was like having a internship itself, it was also a going above and beyond kind of thing, because in second year students do not take internship.
Yeah.
They take summer projects with professors.
Correct.
And for some reason I had a summer project, but I thought let's also do an internship. हाँ, तो ऐसे 3 गुना काम करना है, समर प्रोजेक्ट भी करना है, इंटर्नशिप भी करनी है, और एक्स्ट्रा कोर्सेज भी ले
Oh
रखे
my
थे.
God.
ठीक है, आई जस्ट वांटेड टू लाइक कंप्लीट माय डिग्री, 4 साल की डिग्री 3.5 साल में ही.
Okay.
हुआ नहीं मेरे से, बट एक्स्ट्रा कोर्सेज भी ले रखे थे, तो मुझे तीनों काम करने हैं. ठीक है, अब आई वॉज लाइक ओके, मंडे को मेरी इंटर्नशिप स्टार्ट होती है, मंडे मैंने काम किया, ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे लाइक एवरी डे देयर इज स्टैंड अप. अब नाउ व्हाट इज स्टैंड अप? मेरी कंपनी में ज़्यादा अभी स्टैंड अप नहीं होता है, तुम्हारे यहाँ होता होगा.
हाँ.
तो तुम बताओ व्हाट इज स्टैंड अप.
So stand up is like daily stand up हो सकता है, weekly stand up हो सकता है, depending on the team. So it's where you come and like tell. वैसे also हर stand up के अलग अलग agendas होते हैं, but generally stand up is where the manager comes and addresses कि अच्छा ये काम है, इसमें ये करना है, and like distributes the work and take updates. So that's actually a stand up. It can be monthly, daily, weekly, however, like so depending on the role.
Now you know the definition of stand-up meetings, stand-up call. When I first time told a friend who was not working at that time about अच्छा stand-up call है, उसमें मुझे जाना पड़ेगा, हर दिन 5 बजे होती है, उसने बोला तुम लोग बैठ के stand-up कॉमेडी करते हो इस कॉल में.
Oh shit! Oh my god! Please don't tell I know that person.
No,
Oh
you
my
do
God.
not know that. No.
Okay.
You do not know that person.
Okay.
Oh my god. Oh
Okay.
my god. देखो, तो कभी कभी कॉर्पोरेट जार्गन्स पता होना चाहिए. ओके, हाँ. इसीलिए बड़ी बहन बड़ी दीदियाँ होना चाहिए. वी आर हियर फॉर यू गाइस. ठीक है, क्यूट. हाँ, तो लाइक मंडे ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे तक मैंने काम किया. पहले तो यू हैव टू शो गुड वर्क टू देम कि
Correct.
देखो इतना प्रोग्रेस हो गया है.
हाँ.
और मुझे कॉलेज प्रोफेसर के साथ और क्लासेस के साथ ये सब करने के बाद मैं उनको जाके दे रही हूँ. ठीक है, तो मतलब मैं तो कभी कभी रात में भी काम कर रही थी कि
Oh no.
क्योंकि देखो ऐसा इट वॉज इन द बिग, मतलब यस रात में भी काम करना पड़ रहा है, यू आर नॉट इवन गेटिंग पेड दैट मच, बट ऑल्सो इट्स एन इंटर्नशिप.
And you're like 19, 20 years old.
एग्जैक्टली, येस, वी आर 19-20 ईयर्स ओल्ड. ठीक है, एंड मतलब यू हैव टू लर्न द स्किल. आई वॉज नॉट अ वेब डिज़ाइनर. ओके, तो वेब डिज़ाइनिंग की पहले मेरे को चीज़ें सीखनी पड़ेगी. आई न्यू द टूल्स, आई न्यू फिग्मा, इलस्ट्रेटर, ये सब पता था, बट वेब डिज़ाइनिंग के भी कुछ एस्पेक्ट्स होते हैं, वो सब सीखने पड़ेंगे. ठीक है, तो वो सब सीख रहे हो व्हेन यू आर लर्निंग, तो आपके पास एक्चुअली कुछ प्रोडक्ट नहीं होता है दिखाने के लिए, तो बट आपको जाके बताना है, तो वहाँ पे जाके प्रेजेंट भी करना है कि ये करा है आज, इतना ही हो पाया आज, इस तरह से. ठीक है, और अगर नहीं हो रहा है तो आपको सुनना भी पड़ रहा है. आई वाज लाइक ओके, चलो वेडनेसडे आया, थर्सडे आया, फ्राइडे आया, एंड देन ऑन सैटरडे संडे एवरीवन वाज आउट. वेट, लाइक इट वाज कोविड, नोबडी वाज आउट, बट एवरीबडी
Out of
वाज,
office, like not working.
नहीं, एवरीवन इन द ऑफिस तो काम कर रहे हैं. ठीक है,
Oh.
हाँ, अक्रॉस कंपनी इट वाज कि वी वर्क ऑन सैटरडे एंड संडेज ऑल्सो. ठीक है,
तुम्हारी खुद की कंपनी है, you're the legacy. Yeah, you're the legacy makers.
Exactly.
Yeah.
मतलब देखो, in today's time, yes, I have been applying to multiple jobs, and there they are outright saying that you will have to work on Sundays, and that is understandable. I straightforward ask for equity for them. They give me equity, and I work for them.
हाँ.
I'm like, हाँ भाई, मेरी equity है भाई. I own a certain percentage of
Yeah.
this company. Why not I will work for you guys?
Yeah.
ठीक है, you guys का I am working for me only.
हाँ.
बट भाई उस केस में यू आर वर्किंग सैटरडे संडेज ऑल्सो, तो आपके हर दिन एक जैसे दिख रहे हैं.
Yeah.
एंड कोविड में ना थिंग्स वर मोनोटोनस. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा लो फेज में था.
Correct.
एंड ऑन सैटरडे संडे पीपल आर कॉलिंग मी. ठीक है, कि क्या कहते हैं, अरे क्या कर रही है, हमसे बात कर, हाउ वाज योर वीक. ठीक है, लाइक कोई भी फ्रेंड आपको कॉल करता है, घंटा भर कॉल चलती ही है, बट यू कैन नॉट टॉक टू देम बिकॉज ऑलरेडी आप स्लीप डिप्राइव्ड हो. ठीक है, आप सोए नहीं हो इतने समय से ढंग से आप, और उसके बाद आपको काम भी पूरा ख़त्म करना है.
Yeah.
ठीक है, एंड बाय लाइक सैटरडे संडे भी मैंने काम किया, एंड फिर बाय नेक्स्ट वेडनेसडे आई वाज लाइक ये क्या है भाई, ये क्यों है भाई, रोज तो मैं आके इसी को काम दे रही हूँ. आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू वर्क ऑन एनी ऑफ माई पर्सनल प्रोजेक्ट्स. ठीक है, स्पेसिफिकली जो सबसे ज़्यादा जो सेल्फ ड्रिवन प्रोजेक्ट उस टाइम पे था जो मेरे प्रोफेसर के साथ था, ठीक है. आई वॉज डेवलपिंग ए गेम.
Oh wow.
हाँ, आई डेवलप्ड अ गेम विथ लाइक हिम, या ठीक है. एंड उसको मैं बिल्कुल एफर्ट टाइम नहीं दे पा रही थी. वाज लाइक कि क्या है. और जबकि मैंने उस प्रोफेसर से रिक्वेस्ट करा था कि देखो यार, इतना इंस्पिरेशन मैं लेकर आई हूँ, मैं करना चाहती हूँ, ठीक है. मैं उसको बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं दे पा रही थी. वाज लाइक ये क्या है. सो ऑन 10th डे आई पुट माई पेपर्स.
10th day.
10th day.
Oh my god.
Yeah, 10th day I put my papers. I was like, hey, it was a very good ride. I'm resigning. But luckily I had another better opportunity lined up. ठीक है. तो yeah, the pay was slightly better. Slightly क्या, इसके comparison में तो better, and work life balance was there, and I was working with more experienced people.
That's very important,
Yeah,
actually.
like with global experience. So I like there two things happened. I got a better opportunity, as well as यहाँ पे नहीं बन रहा था.
fair.
हाँ, so
Fair.
in next company I went as a product researcher.
Oh, that's actually a
Yeah.
good role.
Yeah, like it's a pretty like lots of UX research I did, and so that's my story of first job.
Oh.
Good and bad and everything. ठीक है, roller coaster काफी ज़्यादा. I was
Yeah.
really happy. I prayed for that job, and then 10 दिन में पेपर डाल दिए थे.
तुम्हें वो 10 दिन की सैलरी मिली या नहीं? Oh my god, but तुम्हारी तो खुद की कंपनी है यार.
क्या करूँ. तो yeah, that's me. So
Well.
पढ़ने का. Now अपनी फर्स्ट जॉब के बारे में बताओ.
Yeah, so it was to be honest, I was not that ambitious towards job while I was in college. I was more like कि fest करते हैं, ये करते हैं, वो करते हैं, but I think that's a story for another time.
What is a fest?
Fest is actually an annual, so there are like multiple fests which can happen in a college. In my college, it was tech and cultural fest, right? And हमारे apparently वो दोनों बहुत ही close होते हैं.
Okay.
So it's like 1 week के gap में या alternative weeks में ऐसे like they're very close. For I think in my college it was पहले tech fest होता है और उसके 1-2 दिन बाद ही cultural fest हो जाता है. So,
डेफिनेशन ऑफ फेस्ट में तुमने
हाँ,
फेस्ट शब्द बहुत बार इस्तेमाल कर दिया.
Fest is an annual event where you like come and like if it's a tech fest तो तुम वहाँ पे जाके अपने technical workshops हो रहे हैं, technical events हो रहे हैं.
जैसे रोबो वॉर्स भी होता है.
Yeah.
लाइक यू मेक योर ओन रोबोट कार समथिंग, एंड
Yeah, race हो रही है.
अलग अलग कॉलेज से भी स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं.
Correct, like people from around the country are invited. And like for cultural fest it's dance competition, music competition, drama competition, and like DJ night and celeb nights and all of that. So I think it's just an annual event which happens in every college to, you know, just I think make students more enthusiastic about what they are doing in this college, and like
Exactly.
B also, like let's be honest, उनको अपनी brand value भी दिखानी होती है. So like every college, yeah, if you see, अगर मैं like now that I'm out of college for some years now, I can see every college, if I talk to any college student, अरे यार XYZ का तुमने फेस्ट सुना है, अरे उसका टेक फेस्ट बहुत अच्छा है, उसका कल्चरल फेस्ट बहुत अच्छा है, एंड उसके नाम से पीपल आर लाइक कि यार मुझे बहुत अच्छा ये फेस्ट जाना है, ये फेस्ट जाना है, एंड दैट्स हाउ अ लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स आर नोइंग डिफरेंट कॉलेजेस दीज डेज. Funny story, like my sister was in some college and she got a better college within 1 month of joining that college. And she was not ready to leave this college because she's like
इसका फेस्ट बेटर
इसका
है.
फेस्ट बेटर है. And I'm
अरे.
like कि bro तेरी ये 4 साल की डिग्री के लिए.
Yes, and better placement at the end of the
Yeah.
4 years.
Yeah.
हाँ, तो फेस्ट ब्रांड वैल्यू बढ़ाता है.
हाँ,
बट फेस्ट के दम पे कॉलेज नहीं चूज करना
प्लीज
है.
डोंट डू दैट.
ठीक है.
एंड मैंने उसको बोला यहाँ पे तेरे 4 साल तुझे दिख रहे हैं, मुझे आगे तेरे 40 साल की टेंशन हो रही है.
Exactly.
And thankfully she listened to me, and now she's in a very good college, and then she graduated from there, and now like she's pursuing her PhD, and like super nice decision. Now
फेस्ट नहीं गाइस. ओ माय गॉड, दैट वाज वेरी स्कैरी भाई कि लोग फेस्ट के बेसिस पे कॉलेज डिसाइड कर ले रहे हैं.
yeah. So anyways, मैं अपने कॉलेज में लाइक फेस्ट वगैरह के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा enthusiastic थी, and I was not very enthusiastic towards कि यार ये जॉब चाहिए वो चाहिए. I was like कि मैं अपने रिज्यूमे फेस्ट के थ्रू बनाऊंगी कि मैं इतनी एक्टिव पार्टिसिपेंट थी यहाँ पे वहाँ पे and all of that. Anyways, my first job interview actually starts during the placement season. Like, of course, मैंने वो summer internship जो आपको करनी पड़ती हैं वो सब किया था, but that was like, I don't take that as my job. It was
Okay.
just something which I did just to complete my degree.
Okay.
So actually, when the placement season starts, मैं भी एकदम ऐसे चौड़ में कि मुझे कोडिंग करनी ही नहीं है. So I'm an electronics engineer, and like no diss against the coders, I respect them. It's just that कि मैं अपने आप को envision नहीं कर सकती in front of a black screen coding day in day out. Like I am
आजकल क्या चल रहा है?
like I talk to people. So my current job, I also do a client-facing job. Okay, so for me, I think I'm a people's person. I need to talk to people. I need to like understand their business problems and then find a solution
Wow.
for them. So
I have a question I will ask in the end.
yes. So so I was like कि मैं कोडर नहीं बनूंगी, मैं डेटा एनालिस्ट, बिजनेस एनालिस्ट या सम क्लाइंट फेसिंग रोल जिसमें लाइक इट्स मोर अबाउट इंटरैक्टिंग विथ एंड लाइक बिजनेस साइड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड मैं देखना चाहती हूँ. तो मैं उन्हीं जॉब्स में अप्लाई करी थी, विच इज़ एक्चुअली अ स्टूपिड डिसीजन एट टाइम्स, क्योंकि मैंने प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर की भी जॉब्स इग्नोर की, बिकॉज उस टाइम मुझे प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर पता नहीं था, टू बी ऑनेस्ट गाइज. लाइक बिकॉज हम लोग को कभी इतना एक्सपोजर नहीं मिला है कि ओ प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर इज ऑल्सो अ थिंग, राइट? सो एटलीस्ट फॉर मी लाइक
सो पर्णिका, यू सेड दैट अगर हमें न्यू प्रोफाइल्स का एक्सपोजर चाहिए, क्योंकि
हाँ.
देखो मार्केट बहुत जल्दी शिफ्ट हो रहा है
Correct.
and हमें चाहिए होगा न्यू प्रोफाइल्स का एक्सपोजर.
Correct.
तो व्हाट एडवाइस यू विल गिव टुडेज कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स फॉर दिस काइंड ऑफ एक्सपोजर?
So yeah, I think for at least my college, they have a very strong placement cell, right? And like even me as an alumnus, I go and like talk to my juniors a lot every now and I give webinars where I talk about the different profiles which are there. I take their interviews, mock interviews and everything. So I think my suggestion would be attend those placement seminars, because you don't know what all different portfolios are there, and generally because we come from the Indian society where you have to be a coder to be actually
और a government job
of a
person.
government job person. Like if you're an engineering student person, तो तुम्हें coder ही बनना पड़ेगा. Like I remember my father saying कि तुम Python क्यों नहीं सीख रही हो, तुम coding क्यों नहीं कर रही हो, तुम Python क्यों नहीं सीख रही हो.
Oh my God.
And I'm like कि मुझे क्योंकि coding नहीं करनी है इसलिए मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ. So I feel कि अगर मेरे पास तब इतना दिमाग होता तो मैं अपने सीनियर्स से जाके बात करती and everything. Be it school seniors, college seniors, anyone who's in the corporate, you know, like reach out to your alumni network. Try to understand the different portfolios which are actually there in the market, because even with GPT coming in, you know, we have so much transformation in the profiles. Like I recently heard, जैसे पहले there was this who can get a good Google query ऐसा कुछ.
Exactly this was a question in interview कि आपको ये सर्च करना है, आप क्या लिखोगे?
हाँ.
Share your screen and say, and
हाँ.
whoever typed in the best query was selected.
Yeah.
ठीक है, and that is today's world, prompt engineering.
Yeah, so exactly. So that's prompt engineering. This is a new thing. Ki prompt engineering is a thing, and for me, I would have never imagined there's a thing called prompt engineering. मेरे लिए computer engineer वो front end developer, back end developer, ये सब. I even don't know UI designer at that point. Okay. I was that noob.
Okay, हाँ.
But like I feel कि the suggestion and the advice would be like go and talk to seniors. Try to reach your alumni network. Try to see कि कौन से तुम्हारे कॉलेज से हैं, वो कौन कौन सी कंपनी में है. उस कंपनी के करियर पेज पे जाके देखो what all different profiles are there.
Yes.
And then there's ChatGPT, there's clouds, so many things. Just go and search about these profiles, what actually they are, and you never know what actually your interest would align to.
Okay, हमने बहुत सारा ज्ञान दे दिया. ऐसा थोड़ा point wise में नहीं दिया है, but थोड़ा देख लेना
यार.
हाँ, ठीक है. Just a little bit more here. So क्वेश्चन इज कि अगर आपको अभी देखना है कि क्या क्या प्रोफाइल्स एक्टिव है मार्केट में, तो फॉर सम रीज़न आई इंट्रोड्यूस माई बैच टू UI/UX डिज़ाइन का प्रोफाइल,
Oh my
ठीक है.
God.
मतलब देर वर MDes के स्टूडेंट्स, दे न्यू अबाउट दिस प्रोफाइल, बट वहाँ से नॉलेज ट्रांसफर BTech वालों में नहीं होता था, ठीक है. तो आई वेंट फॉरवर्ड एंड वाज लाइक कि देखो ये एक प्रोफाइल है, इसमें हमें कोडिंग करनी हमें भी नहीं पसंद थी, ठीक है, और हमें ज़्यादा मैथ्स भी करने का मन नहीं था, ठीक है. तो मतलब हम ऐसे थे कि यार ये करने का मन नहीं है, कुछ चिल सा मिल सकता है क्या, ठीक है. देन पीपल सेड कि UI/UX डिज़ाइन चिल है. लाइक कि देखो पहले तो वो चिल नहीं है, बहुत पिक्सल पुशिंग रखती है, बिकॉज इट्स एब्स्ट्रैक्ट थिंग, ठीक है. व्हेन थिंग्स आर ऑब्जेक्टिव, ठीक है, देन इट्स स्लाइटली ईजियर, बट व्हेन थिंग्स आर सब्जेक्टिव तो इसको पसंद आएगा बट इसको नहीं पसंद आएगा,
Fair, हाँ.
ठीक है. तो वो भी उसका अलग प्रॉब्लम होता है UI/UX डिज़ाइन का. बट सो लाइक आई इंट्रोड्यूस्ड दिस प्रोफाइल टू माई बैच, ठीक है, कि भाई UI/UX डिज़ाइन भी है, ठीक है. एंड फिर मेरे बैच के नेक्स्ट बैच में काफ़ी UI/UX डिज़ाइनर निकले. ऑल ऑफ देम वर मेंटर्ड बाय मी, पता है. हाँ, या ठीक है. एंड इसी तरह से आई ऑल्सो गॉट टू नो अबाउट PMs, प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर. बट प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर थोड़ा एक्टिव था बाकी लोगों के में भी, दे ऑल्सो न्यू अबाउट इट. नाउ how we, like I'm a live example, I got to know it, ठीक है. So how I got to know about it, see, first of all आपका जो कॉलेज है ना, it owes you nothing. वो आपको प्लेसमेंट नौकरी लाकर नहीं देगा आपको. You will yourself have to fend for a job, start looking for job right from second year. If you are not working on your own startup, on your own YouTube or Instagram handle, or on your own company या पापा की कंपनी, look for a job on LinkedIn, ठीक है. तो मैं हर 6 महीने अपना LinkedIn अपडेट करती थी, पता है. मतलब उस टाइम पे दिस गाय बियर बाइसेप्स, उसका एक वीडियो था कि दिस इज़ हाउ यू विल हैव टू मेंटेन योर LinkedIn. मैं हर 6 महीने में अपना LinkedIn अपडेट करती थी, और मैं कोशिश करती थी कि सिमिलर लोग मुझे मिल जाएं, ठीक है. और मुझे रिकमेंडेशन में भी आ रहे होते थे, ठीक है. तो जैसे उस टाइम पे क्या कहते हैं, चीफ डिज़ाइन ऑफिसर ऑफ जोमैटो या फिर स्विगी था सप्तऋषि प्रकाश,
Okay.
ठीक है. तो दिस वाज अ UI/UX डिज़ाइनर उस टाइम पे, ठीक है. एंड उसने काफ़ी कुछ मतलब लिंक्डइन पे लिखा हुआ था, उसने काफ़ी कुछ यूट्यूब पे भी लिखा हुआ था, ठीक है. तो आई यूज टू फॉलो हिम. देन देयर वाज अनदर गुड स्टोरी टेलर, अंश मेहरा तो अभी भी एक्टिव है, तो गो लुक आउट हिज चैनल, उस पर कुछ मिल जाएगा तुमको रिसेंट. तो आई यूज टू फॉलो दीज पीपल. एंड उस टाइम पे आई जस्ट गॉट टू एवरी 6 months आई यूज टू गेट न्यूज़ कि अच्छा ये UI/UX का है, ये PM का है, ओके, ठीक है. इवेंचुअली इन माई 5th year आई हैड like BS MS degree. In my 5th year, all of the research I did over the period of 3-4 years, that was my thesis.
Oh wow.
Yes. Like लोगों को अपनी थीसिस के लिए बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ी थी.
Tell me about it.
बट मेरा ऐसा था भाई मैं इतने समय से कर रही थी भाई, ठीक है. लाइक द टॉपिक ऑफ माई थीसिस आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग इन माई 3rd year. तो मैं तब से उस पर काम करना, मेरे को बस ऐसा था कि ओके आई जस्ट हैव टू कंसोलिडेट ऑल दिस इन्फॉर्मेशन एंड पुट इट. तो लाइक लिंक्डइन पे जाओ एंड व्हाट शी सेड द फैक्ट कि आपके जो ड्रीम कंपनीज है उसके करियर पेज पे जाओ और देखो कि आप कहाँ पे फिट हो सकते हो, वो स्किल्स आपके पास है कि नहीं, एंड यू विल गेट टू नो अबाउट न्यू प्रोफाइल्स, ठीक है. एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर जॉब, इफ़ यू आर दैट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन जिसको जॉब करनी है, which I do not know after 2030 कितना जॉब रहेगा. After all, we will all be consultants only through this company. Go to your dream company का career page and like look through the job profile. Now back to your story, Pandika.
Yes, so I think so as I mentioned, I just wanted to go to business analyst, data analyst wale job, and I was actually ignoring product analyst wale job because I was like, oh, isme bhi like coding aa sakti hai, let's not go there. So I started like applying for a very low number of jobs, and theek hai, thankfully things favored in for me, and I got interview for a service based company. And as I mentioned, it was a service-based company, third party for a big logo. So, bas, I started working there, and we were 3 interns. We were hired as data analyst. So, मैं तो एकदम ऐसे कि oh, data analyst मिल गया ये वो. Now, if you remember the story, the guy got that job, and I was put to bench, right? So, that was my internship story. So, because it was an internship plus PPO, so they cannot like remove me from the company, so they put me on bench. now it's like कि आगे कुआं पीछे खाई वाली situation, because you know I do not have any company which I'm working for, and like मैं like I don't know, I just have a thing कि मैं free में पैसे कमा रही हूँ, and I just like मुझे से बहुत गिल्ट फीलिंग आ रही थी कि मैं कुछ कर क्यों नहीं रही हूँ, and like you know मैं फ्री के पैसे नहीं खा पा रही, and even though
देखो
like
कितनी अच्छी एम्प्लॉय है ना, फ्री के पैसे नहीं ले, कितने दिन रही तुम बेंच पे?
बताती हूँ. So like I was telling my brother about this, my cousin, कि oh my god मुझे बेंच पे डाल दिया है, नहीं वो, and then he's like कि भाई फ्री के पैसे भाई तो ले भाई, and I'm like कि नहीं हो पा रहा है मुझसे. But anyways, like when you're on bench and if you're working in a service based company, so आपको बहुत सारे projects में आपके resume shoot किए जाते हैं, and like जहाँ पे skill set आपका match होता है वहाँ से आपको interview आता है. So again a very big logo, I got an interview from there, but it was for data engineer. Now I talked to my HR कि भाई I don't want to be a data engineer, like this is not something I applied for. I applied for a data analyst job. Why am I not getting a data analyst job? So she's like कि oh no Parnika, data engineer is like the stepping stone for data analyst, and data engineer and data analyst go hand in hand. इसके बाद you will have similar paths and everything. तो मैं यार आई एम जस्ट अ कॉलेज ग्रेजुएट जिसके पास कोई एक्सपोजर नहीं है, तो लगे चलो ठीक है ले लेते हैं, कर लेते हैं.
ओके,
और ये दूसरा गिल्ट कि ओ माय गॉड फ्री के पैसे मिल रहे हैं. सो
काम करने के चक्कर में काम उठा लिया
मैंने. एंड देन आई गेट इनटू दिस कंपनी, एंड गुड टीम, फीमेल मैनेजर, 3 टीम लीड्स, एंड 3 टीम लीड्स के हर टीम लीड के हैड 3-4 पीपल अंडर हिम. नाउ हमारी से स्टैंड अप होती थी 10:30, ठीक है, विद द मैनेजर, लाइक डेली स्टैंड अप, या
अगेन
डेली स्टैंड अप. 10:30 मेरी मैनेजर के साथ स्टैंड अप होती थी, एंड 11 o'clock मेरे टीम लीड्स के साथ स्टैंड अप होती थी. सो 10:30 माई मैनेजर यूज टू आस्क अपडेट्स कि यहाँ पे ये हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, एंड लाइक यूज टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट अस वर्क कि आज ये टीम, अच्छा फॉर दिस प्रोजेक्ट तुम्हें अब ये करना है, इतना पाइपलाइन में पुश करना है, वट एवर टास्क. एंड देन 11 o'clock मेरी जो स्टैंड अप होती थी उसमें टीम लीड यूज टू कम and used to say,
wait, one question here, what is difference between manager and team lead?
oh okay, so a manager is the person who manages different projects, right? And then there are team leads who are under the manager and they work for specific projects. And like of course different teams can, like different companies can have different organization, like different structure, but like in my company it was like a manager managing 3 projects, and each of the team lead was handling one project of each of those. And then each team lead had like 3 data engineers or 4 data engineers under him working for that project. So
Okay. So hierarchy wise, team lead and you were at the same position?
no, so it was manager, then team leads, and then the
then
data
you.
engineers. So I used to
Okay.
report to my team lead,
Okay.
and the team lead used to report to my manager.
Okay, so manager is just the term of the company here. He was not, she was,
She.
Okay, she. Let's say they. Okay, she was not your manager, but
Yeah.
it was a company name. Okay.
She was my skip manager.
हाँ, she was your skip manager.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you were reporting to your
Team lead. Yeah.
हाँ, and different company has like different
Terminologies.
Whenever
Yeah.
I have assumed that like in my experience, every time I report to someone, that becomes my manager.
Oh, okay.
Okay, but in your case, you were reporting to a team lead.
Yeah. I was reporting to a team lead. I mean, वैसे देखा जाए तो I was reporting like through on the portal. It was my manager only जिसको मैं
Okay.
report कर रही हूँ.
Yeah.
But then my daily task, my daily updates used to go to my team lead.
Okay.
My manager team lead से update लेती थी कि is it working or not? What issues are you facing? Do you need any resource? And is there anything I can help you with?
Okay.
So
like in a way, you were reporting to team lead only.
Yeah. For my tasks, for my updates, if like he says कि she's doing well, so the manager would think कि oh she's doing well. If my team lead says कि she's doing bad, so the manager would report कि understand कि भाई she's doing bad. So that's how the dynamics was. 10:30 के stand up के बाद 11 o'clock I have my stand up with the team lead, and the team lead used to say, my manager was a female manager, my team lead was male, right? And I know it's gonna take a very heavy turn here, but my team lead used to say, hey, scrap whatever she said, now listen to what I am saying, and this is what you have to do. And I'm like, bhai, तेरी मैनेजर है वो, उसने तुझे कुछ टास्क दिया है, कुछ प्रायोरिटी दी है, तो वो क्लाइंट समझ के आई है, राइट?
Exactly.
एंड लाइक ही यूज्ड टू से जस्ट क्रैप whatever she said, I know better about this, so you listen to me. And I was like, oh my god. And then also I was like, ठीक है अब मैं क्या बोलूँ अब
हाँ,
on
तो
this.
क्या बोलोगी exactly?
So
Okay.
I faced actually sexism in this, and it just did not stop here. Now, COVID was there, as you mentioned, and we were like all working from home during that COVID time also. And during that second wave, I also got COVID.
Oh my God.
Yeah, but
a
I think
bad
it was
experience.
yeah, it was still better for me because I was already vaccinated, so it was not that rough for me. But हाँ थोड़ा mild effect तो आया था मुझे, बुखार वुखार and cough waff and everything, but it was still better. Now I went on that leave, and thankfully my company was good enough to provide a COVID leave. So you have a 1 month का COVID leave या ऐसे कुछ.
Thank God.
Yeah, yeah.
Because company expect you to come back and work from home. खांसते खांसते भी काम
का
करो भाई.
काम करो, yes, but thankfully my company was good enough कि आप अपना कोविड टेस्ट दिखा दो, मेडिकल रिपोर्ट सबमिट कर दो, देन यू कैन गो ऑन अ कोविड लीव, दैट्स फाइन. एंड आपके तुरंत काम आपके प्लेट से हटा दीजिएंगे, एंड लाइक यू कैन लाइक रीडिस्ट्रीब्यूट वर्क हियर एंड देयर. सो सिमिलरली बस यही हुआ. आई went on that COVID leave. I came back, and it was like me joining my first day after joining. So उस टाइम तक ये हो गया था कि we were working for a company, and because I knew the most of it, after team lead,
पहले तो भाई साहब कितना काम करा होगा भाई एज ए डेटा इंजीनियर.
जो मुझे करना भी नहीं था.
हाँ कि पूरा पता है.
Yeah, and I was like leading that to other people also ki, and I don't want to brag, but like
Brag, please. Please
मेरी
brag.
coding skills were better than those people. So like अगर वो कोई कोड करते थे, कुछ करते थे, तो it used to go through my review.
मुझे कोडिंग करनी नहीं है.
मुझे नहीं करनी है.
बट फिर भी मेरी स्किल्स बेटर है, देख रहे हो. अनफेयर एडवांटेज है बैम के पास, फिर भी नहीं लेंगी.
So anyways, there's this escalation which comes after joining first day. कुछ भयंकर escalation आ जाता है, and हमारे यहाँ 10:30 to 7:30 या 10 to 7 वर्क आवर्स होते थे, एंड थैंकफुली बहुत अच्छा वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस था वहाँ पे. एंड आई सी लाइक आई हैव अ थिंग कि मैं रात को एक बार लैपटॉप खोल के अपना अगले दिन का कैलेंडर चेक करती हूँ.
या आई ऑल्सो डू दैट.
या सो बिकॉज आई नीड टू बी मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड कि भाई कल कितना काम आने वाला है.
आई थिंक दिस इज सो zillennial of us.
Oh yeah.
Gen Zs tell, are you a Gen Z?
I am technically I'm a Gen Z, because Gen Zs are like from 95 to
Oh.
2005.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, so technically I'm also a Gen Z.
Yeah.
But I think I'm way close. I feel
we're closer to millennials.
Millennial
Yeah,
side,
yeah, yeah.
Like in India, like the timeline is slightly delayed. करके also
Yeah.
on at what place you are born, that also affects it.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I'm the firstborn, so I think you are also
I'm
firstborn.
also the firstborn, yes.
Yeah, so two eldest daughter giving you ज्ञान, तुम्हें लेना चाहिए.
Anyways, I come back from that job, like after and मैं अपना लैपटॉप 8 बजे खोल रही हूँ कि ओह ठीक है, let me just see, and then I see my colleague who was working on this is on a call. So, and then my other colleague who was also working was also on a call.
You were stalking their calendar also?
No, because like in the Teams here you can see na कि if you're available or you call or on offline. वैसे.
अच्छा. Okay.
And then I also see my team lead also on call, because you can always pin your chats जिनके आप chats regularly करते, right? So वो तीनों कॉल पे हैं, and
मैं तो दूसरों का कैलेंडर देख लेती हूँ, ठीक है.
मैं भी देख लेती थी, बट इधर तो इट वाज जस्ट लाइक मैं अपना कैलेंडर देखने के लिए खोली, एंड चैट पे ये 3 लोग कॉल पे दिख रहे हैं, एंड आई वाज लाइक अरे भाई ऐसा क्या हो रहा है. सो आई जस्ट टेक्स्ट वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स लाइक द कलीग, एंड आई से कि ब्रो व्हाट हैपेंड, एंड देन ही सेड कि ये पाइपलाइन फट गई है, वी वर्किंग ऑन दैट. आई एम लाइक कि okay, add me to the call because I know the in and outs of it. Add me to the call. Ready? And he says,
खतरनाक होने वाला. Okay.
and he says, पर्णिका हम बहुत सीरियस काम कर रहे हैं, हमें जब entertainment चाहिए होगा तो हम तुम्हें बुला लेंगे.
साहब.
Yeah. He actually said that.
Team
हमें
lead.
जब नहीं, the colleague says, हमें जब entertainment चाहिए होगा तो हम तुम्हें बुला लेंगे. So also अगर
I
मैं
do not have any words for this.
yeah and like this is the colleague वाला sexism, manager के साथ जो sexism चल रहा था वो तो चल रहा था. टीम लीड ने क्या किया मेरे साथ क्या किया. सो हमारी स्टैंड अप के बाद जब टीम लीड वाली स्टैंड अप होती थी, वो मुझे स्टैंड अप में ही नहीं बुलाता था. वो उस मीटिंग लिंक को ज्वाइन नहीं करता था. वो रैंडमली इन दोनों लोगों को कॉल करता था और उनको वो टास्क डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देता था, और फिर जो बचे हुए टास्क होते थे वो मुझे देता था.
ये 11 AM वाली कॉल की बात कर
ये 11 AM वाली कॉल की बात कर रही हूँ, और मैं 10:30 की कॉल के बाद 11 AM वाली मीटिंग ज्वाइन करके बैठी हुई हूँ. कोई ज्वाइन ही नहीं कर रहा है, कोई ज्वाइन ही नहीं कर रहा है.
दिस इज सो फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग जब सामने वाला ज्वाइन नहीं करता है तो.
या और मैं 11:15 तक बैठी हुई, एंड देन आई एम टेक्सटिंग माय टीम लीड की हे ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला, आई एम सीइंग यू इन अ कॉल.
God.
Yeah. I'm seeing you in a call. Can you please add me to that call? And he used to not reply at that time. No replies, nothing. I used to text my colleagues and they used to not reply. And it was just so frustrating for me. Ki bhai, what the hell? And then they used to give me whatever is left.
Yeah.
And then also, I think my skills spoke volumes than actually them doing this. कि उनसे टास्क नहीं होता था वो, फिर वो मेरे पास आता था. सो देयर
अब
वाज
एंटरटेनमेंट चाहिए तुम.
हाँ, अब एंटरटेनमेंट चाहिए, एंड अब मैं वो टास्क कंप्लीट करके दे दी थी उनके लिए. सो देयर वाज दिस टास्क जो कि 3 दिन से सीनियर डेटा इंजीनियर्स कर रहे हैं, उनसे हो नहीं रहा है, एंड देन इट कम्स टू मी, एंड द टीम लीड सेज कि ओ यू हैव 1 डे का टाइम, तुम करके दे दो ये वो, क्योंकि हम बहुत ज़्यादा बैकलॉग में है, तो कैन यू लाइक लुक इनटू इट. 3 घंटे में करके दिया था मैंने गाइस, 3 घंटे में. सो समटाइम्स यू जस्ट डोंट हैव टू थिंक कि वो लड़की है तो वो नहीं कर पाएगी. लाइक दैट्स एक्चुअली सेक्सिज्म आई फेस्ड इन माई जॉब, एंड इट वॉज सो फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग फॉर मी दैट आई एक्चुअली like I was talking to my friends, my college friends, my sister, and कि भाई ऐसा हो रहा है, and then all of them were like कि like just I'm sorry for my language but fuck it, like just go and find another job. And I was like yeah, I think I should. And 7 months into the company I resigned. I was like I can't do this because
Yeah,
तो
exactly.
यू कैन लेट इट गो फॉर 1 time 2 times. 1 महीना मैं कोविड में चली गई, एंड मेरे आते ही आई हियर दिस स्टेटमेंट कि हम एंटरटेनमेंट चाहिए होगा तो हम तुम्हें बुला लेंगे. लाइक व्हाट द
After
हेल.
that they have to come to you only for
हाँ.
that same task.
हाँ, and then
What is this behavior?
and then yeah, it was very frustrating. And then within the I think I started finding job within my 6th, after the statement it was my 6 months into the company, I started looking for a job. And I was just doing the bare minimum वहाँ पे कि भाई जितना bare minimum चाहिए मैं उतना करी हूँ. I was like aggressively looking out for jobs. And then thankfully my second company worked for me, and within 2 weeks I got the offer.
Best.
And then I resigned. And then these people were like कि oh Parnika, you have to complete your 2 months of notice period.
Oh my, 2 months of notice period.
Yeah, and I'm like कि no, I am not doing this. And then they were like,
What is this behavior? Like you do not want, you are not calling me. And who said this line?
my team lead, that you have
Your
to complete.
team lead. This guy is not calling you in the meetings.
No.
Okay, like another person is saying stuffs like entertainment and everything. And
So it actually comes down to the manager, because I usually don't speak to my manager directly, right? Manager, like I resigned to my manager, CC was the team lead, and I think manager ने जाके team lead को बोलेगा कि you go and tell her that she has to complete her 2 months or whatever. And then I say कि you know, because I do not have any say in this, and like I even said कि my second company said कि we'll give you a buyout, like we'll give you
it's
the
a big thing when your next company buys out your notice period.
Yeah. And फिर भी they were not ready. They were like, oh Parnika, you're working on this highly critical project and we need
Then give her a raise and make her team lead. Bhai, you were doing the work of team lead there.
I know. But then
God.
and then I somehow managed to like complete my tenure, and
You completed those 2 months.
I had to. Like they were not ready to, you know, accept the buyout also.
Oh my God. So your next company was this company only?
Yeah, the current company I'm working in.
Okay.
So then my manager, I talked to my manager ki, because exit interview. So when you resign, you have to give an exit interview to your manager, or to your report, जिसको you report, and to the HR. So they are in your exit interview and they ask कि तुमने क्यों छोड़ा, is there something we can improve and all of that. So in my I had two exit interview, one with my manager and the other with the HR. So I gave my exit interview to my manager, and she asked me what happened and everything, and I bluntly said everything which I faced, everything which was talked about her behind her back, everything. And I said, this is the sexism why I'm leaving this company. I do not like such kind of environment, and if you really want people to stay in your company, you should really look into it.
But she was also facing like
She
sexism.
didn't know now.
Okay, she didn't know.
She didn't know. So that's the thing. So in corporate, let's give you another gyan. In corporate, people are really nice in front of you, and like तुम्हारे मैनेजर के एकदम ही yes मैम yes सर करते रहेंगे, चाहे पीठ पीछे जाके गाली देंगे. So that's such a corporate thing, you know. And I've seen in the previous company, I've seen it in this company कि तुम्हारे मैनेजर के सामने, like अपने मैनेजर के सामने they're like कि you're the best person and then पीठ पीछे ये बदतमीज इंसान है, like I'm not using the गंदी language but like एकदम गंदी गालियाँ. So same thing, you know, she didn't know उसके पीठ पीछे ऐसा हो रहा है. And in my HR,
And it was COVID time also ना, ऑफिस
Yeah.
में थोड़ा बहुत पता चल जाता है कि
Yeah,
what
yeah.
is इनका हाव भाव हमारी तरफ कैसा है,
हाँ.
बट ऑनलाइन में क्या ही पता चलेगा.
नहीं पता चलता. So and with my HR exit interview, मैंने फिर से सब कुछ state किया, and I was like yeah, that's why I'm leaving this company and I'm not at all happy. पहली बात तो मुझे पहले उसमें regionism face करने को मिला, and then in my second project मुझे sexism मिला.
टेल मी दिस, व्हाट योर मैनेजर सेड कि अच्छा हम इसको ऐसे अवॉइड कर सकते थे, या फिर आई विल हैंडल इट दिस वे, या सॉरी अबाउट इट दैट यू फेस्ड इट, क्या बोला उसने?
So I think for her, it didn't matter because I was from a very premium college, and I was actually the highest paid data engineer.
ओके.
So for her, she would have gotten a lower paid data engineer.
या लाइक
Yeah. It all dials down to resource को कितना पैसा देना पड़ रहा है and कितना पैसा actually project में बच रहा है.
ट्रू.
Yeah.
माय गॉड.
Yeah.
सो लाइक
That's actually bad. And thankfully, my current company, which is my second company, and it's gonna be 4 years here in like May end, I do not like. Of course, there are different struggles, but I never faced this, you know. And I was so happy when I was leaving the previous company, and I was like, कि at least मैं जो काम करूँगी मैं जाके client को खुद दिखाऊँगी. I'll be accountable for whatever I'm doing, and that made me so much powerful in my head कि अगर कुछ फटेगा तो मेरी वजह से फटेगा, अगर कुछ अच्छा होगा तो मेरी वजह से अच्छा होगा.
एंड यू विल बी टोल्ड डायरेक्टली कि पढ़ने का
Yeah.
ये अच्छा हुआ है, या फिर
Yeah.
पढ़ने का हमें यहाँ तुम्हारी हेल्प चाहिए प्लीज, यू आर द बेस्ट.
Yes, and client को पता होगा कि you know you are doing
पढ़ने का
this.
इज द गर्ल फॉर
हाँ.
दिस, लाइक कि पढ़ने का संभाल लेगी.
Yeah, so I think that was my first job experience, and it ended in a bitter note, but I think I am happy where I am. And to be
Yeah.
honest, in this company, which I hope you get to experience soon,
Oh yeah.
I feel कि you know this company always prioritizes कि वो कैसे लोगों को ले रही है, and like they have a good work ethics and that ways, like for me
Cultural fit.
cultural fit, if you're culturally fit, that's actually a thing here. Because मैं अगर किसी से भी हेल्प मांगने जाती हूँ, no one says कि we don't want to help you or whatever. They're really helpful. So that ways it's actually very nice. This company is actually much better. Even though after the bad experience of the last company, I feel it was a better decision that I left that company, and I'm very happy where I am.
And a better place.
Yeah, and like it's been 4 years and I've seen my ups and downs, but I never felt that urge कि oh I have to leave this job today, you know. वो जो urge पहली कंपनी में आई थी कि I can't deal with this daily. I think इतनी भयंकर urge touch wood अभी तक तो नहीं आई है.
भाई इट्स सो इम्पॉर्टेंट कि आपकी जो जॉब हो ना वो आपसे अलाइन करे
हाँ.
और अच्छी जगह हो यार, क्योंकि यू आर स्पेंडिंग ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 8 to 9 hours मिनिमम,
Yeah.
ठीक है, विद दोज पीपल, विद दैट जॉब, विद दैट वर्क, एंड आपको रोज़ सुबह उठकर जाना है, ठीक है, तैयार होके जाना है, यू विल हैव टू लुक प्रेजेंटेबल, आपको जाके लोगों से बात करनी है, तो इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट कि आप एक अच्छी जॉब में रहो, ठीक
And to
है.
be honest, I think one more thing, sorry for cutting you in between, but I also feel ki you should be, at least I felt, ki I should be with the people where I feel ki I'm not the most intelligent person, you know?
Agree.
Taki, like I'm surrounded by people who are like more intelligent, more active, more experienced than me, so that I can learn from them.
Exactly.
Not the other way around, ki where I am the junior data engineer and
Still
I've
the
seen
most
experience and small, not intelligent, but like the most adaptable to things, most learned, I would say there, you know. And it just made me feel so frustrating at points ki bhai. And I had this very good friend of mine in that previous company, और मुझे उनको छोड़ते हुए भी बहुत बुरा लग रहा था. But because you know, you always make those 1 or 2 friends in that company. And when I left that company, when I resigned, I actually told her कि bro, I'm leaving this company. And
उसका तो दिल टूट गया होगा.
उसका दिल थोड़ा सा तो टूटा था. But then she knew my daily frustration which I was feeling, and thankfully she was under a different team lead, so उन्हें ये frustration नहीं feel होती थी. And the other 2 team leads were much better, you know. My team lead was not good, so
अच्छी बात है, you are in a better company now.
I am like, and I have 6 I've had 6 managers in this company. Don't ask me why, and that's a whole different
Like
thing.
that's a really different story.
हाँ.
Even like I had 3 managers in 3 years in my
Yeah,
last
yeah.
company. तो
Yeah.
कुछ भी होता है ये तो.
कुछ भी होता है. But I didn't feel कि this manager is not listening to what I'm saying, or I'm being like, he's being biased because I'm a girl, and like he at least acknowledges what I do. Of course he tells me how I should improve, but he never creates that bias. Oh, she's a girl, she won't be able to handle it. And my previous manager used to call me his fire brigade, so I'm like
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! भाई साहब! Oh my god! This is such a yes. भाई साहब, yeah.
So like I feel कि यहाँ पे acknowledgement तो है. If you're working, you'll get acknowledged, like, and they will not judge you on the basis of your gender.
भाई I am तो just sold at this name only. ये fire brigade भाई.
या कहीं escalation आए, आग लगी, पर्णिका.
पर्णिका है ना, संभाल लेगी.
Yeah.
भाई साहब, like I was also in similar situation that okay, शिवानी है ना, संभल जाएगा, रोने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. She always has a fix, but nobody gave them this kind of name.
I'll call you fire brigade.
Oh, you are fire brigade. I want to be called something new. भाई देखो क्या है, ओके, मैनेजर हमारा पापा नहीं है जो हमें क्या कहते हैं, पेट नेम्स देगा, ठीक है. इट्स अ वेरी प्रोफेशनल सेटिंग, प्रोफेशनली रहना है, ठीक है. अब परिवार नहीं है आपका. आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल यू वन थिंग. मेरे पापा ने देखा था कि मेरे पैर पे एक रैश है जो कि बहुत लंबे समय से था, ठीक है. ही विजिटेड वंस एंड रैश वाज देयर. ही विजिटेड अगेन एंड रैश वाज देयर. एंड माय फादर सेड, तुम्हें ऑफिस में बोलते नहीं है क्या कि इसको ट्रीटमेंट करा के लाओ? मैं ऐसे बोलो, पापा है मेरे. So यार,
But you know, in the company I am, they're actually very caring and very like ऐसे कि like I was going through a breakup and I told my manager and she's like, oh Parnika, go and take leave, you know. So it's that considerate company.
oh my god,
Like
yeah.
मैं अपनी मैनेजर के सामने rant कर रही हूँ कि मेरा breakup हो गया.
भाई ये बोल पाना बहुत ही बड़ी बात है. Oh my
Yeah,
God.
and she gave me that space, you know. And of course, after 1 month of my breakup, when like I had issues and everything, and I was not able to perform well, and वो मैं खुद ही जाके report करी to my manager कि I need help because I'm not able to perform and it's affecting my projects and everything. And then she said, okay, if you're okay, can you tell me why are you facing this? How can I help you? And I was like, oh, मेरा breakup हो गया. And then and then she's like, you know what, Pandika, it's okay. I understand it's very overwhelming for you. Why don't you just take a couple days off? like go to your parents or go to a vacation or whatever, come back, and then we shall see how we can help you. So I think that ways I'm in a much, much, much better company from my first company, and I'm not naming logos and any dissing anyone, because I also believe in people can always improve. So this is a story which happened like 4 years ago.
Yeah, it's
And
4 year backs. It's
Yeah.
like legit, yeah, dust under the carpet, something like that.
Yeah, and I really hope my team lead has improved and like has become a better person.
Please, let's not hope anything for anyone else. ठीक है, you are doing very good in your life. You are
Yeah.
surrounded by very like superstars, and you are like inspired every day.
Yes, yes.
You yourself are a superstar.
Oh, thanks.
Fire brigade. तो अपना बढ़िया चल रहा है,
Yeah.
और अपना भला है, सबका भला हो ही रहा है, ठीक है,
हो ही
कोई-
जाएगा।
हाँ, और हो ही जाता है यार,
हाँ।
ठीक है. Okay, now wait, I just want to tell this also that in any company there would be good days, there would
Yeah.
be bad days.
Yeah.
ठीक है, तो थोड़ा बैलेंस करके चलना है हमेशा, ठीक है. ऐसा नहीं कि एक बैड डे हुआ अभी रिजाइन फेंकूंगी इसके
Yeah.
मुंह पे,
Yeah.
ये एटीट्यूड नहीं रखना है,
Yeah.
ठीक है. लेट्स बी अ स्टेबल पर्सन, ठीक है. नो नीड टू बी अ एरीज, ऑलवेज बी अ कैप्रिकॉन.
Oh, that's very zodiac of you.
I hope Gen Z can understand this, whatever I just said. I think millennials will understand, I hope. ठीक
So like for me, I agree with you, because for me it happened to me a few times, and I gave that person a few chances, and it was just becoming a daily thing for me. And this is not like I am an open, like I'm a vocal feminist, you know. I believe in equality, and like feminism is a whole different topic which we will discuss some other day. But like I'm a vocal feminist, and when I don't see equality near me or around me, especially like sexism happening towards me, it's not something I would jailify it on a daily basis, or on a even on a regular basis, you know.
Yeah, like, but it was a good decision to leave.
Yeah.
Yes. Now, I have a question for you.
Yeah.
So she said that she's really good at coding, okay, and in college she decided that even when there was so many opportunities, because I have been in that space in software SDE at that time, opportunities were huge and
Yeah.
pay was also huge.
Correct.
And you might have even taken a pay cut to not work, like
Yeah,
to not
definitely.
code, okay.
Yeah.
So what was your so if you are a SDE, so you are handling machines. In a
Uh-huh.
way, you
Correct.
are handling software.
Correct.
And in your profile, in fact, even in my profile, we are handling people. We are
Yeah.
handling the stakeholders.
Correct.
Today, if I give you same decision again,
Huh.
would you like to handle people,
Mm-hmm.
or would you like to handle machines? What would you like to handle?
To be honest, because I'm a people's person, you know, I am still a people's person. I feel, of course, machines can be trained in some way or the other, but I feel, यार वो जो मुझे एड्रेनलिन रश मिलता है वो एस्केलेशन बुझाने में I think like so my current job is a combination of business consultant and product specialist. So it's not that I'm not working with the product. I am actually working with the product, but it's more like understanding the business requirement and then coming and implementing that in the product, right? So yes, I am still doing minor coding and everything, like which is like basic coding, but I still believe that if given an opportunity to move out of this role also, I'll move to a people's role.
Okay,
more.
she will stick to the same decision.
Yeah, I think I will. Would you?
Okay, so I was targeting for a UI UX job right from the beginning. So it's a job where like 60% of the time you are on the machine only, and
Correct.
40% of the time you are talking to user
Correct.
or to the like stakeholders. ठीक है?
Correct.
But over the years, my roles have shifted a lot. Okay, like being a PM, being a growth PM, soon to be a B2B PM. Okay, so a lot. And if I have to take this decision, okay, that 100% machine or 100% people, I would go with 100% machine because 100 people throw tantrums, behin. People are sexist. People will just say that you have same surname. Yeah, this happened.
Yeah.
Okay, so like machine do not have emotions. I am already handling my emotion. Why will I go and handle someone else's emotion? ठीक है,
Yeah,
मुझे
yeah.
अपने परिवार में सबका इमोशन हैंडल करना है. मैं दूसरों का भी इमोशन हैंडल करूं, थेरेपिस्ट बनूं उनकी. But I have been a therapist. Like I have helped a person in my team to remove cockroaches and lizards from their home. ठीक है, तो दैट वाज अ फन बैंटर आई हैड विद दैट गाय. दैट वाज गुड, बट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि कम्युनिकेशन किसी भी डायरेक्शन में
हाँ,
जा सकती है.
correct.
ठीक है, तो अगर 100% तो भाई या आई वुड लाइक टू क्या कहते हैं लाइक
Become
इंटरेक्ट
100
विद
machine
मशीन्स.
better.
बट दिस इज अ बैड डिसीजन. व्हाई? बिकॉज AGI is coming, okay, with GPT and everything. ठीक है, बड़ा सा न्यूरल नेटवर्क ML सब कुछ मिला मिला के जो भी AI is coming. ठीक है, so if you can only handle machine, AI can also handle machine. So
Yeah.
you should always move towards handling people. ठीक है, तो even if like I am like कि oh my god I will have to सबका tantrum संभालना पड़ेगा. I would like to have a job where it's 60% handling people and 40% where I handle machine, which would be my free and personal space with just machine and only me there. That's it. So there is no like one way answer कि 100% ये वो. But always move towards handling people क्योंकि machine automate हो जाती है, people नहीं होंगे.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
So I think this was a very good talk, you know, where we needed to talk.
So true. Like people really need to know कि देखो जॉब लगते ही परियां नहीं आ जाती आपकी लाइफ में.
Yeah, yeah.
ठीक है. They are-
Adult money comes. That's a different thing.
मुझे तो वो भी नहीं आई थी फर्स्ट जॉब में.
Yeah.
ठीक है, तो और अडल्ट मनी को भी संभालना वी रियली नीड टू हैव अ सेशन ऑन दिस बहन.
Yeah.
भाई मेरे पहले पैसे किधर चले जाते हैं पता ही नहीं.
I think we need to talk.
So with that we are closing this session.
Yes, I think, and we will see you soon.
And we would really like to know on what topic you want us to discuss. So definitely write that up in comment and please subscribe. This is a very new channel. Please subscribe and
Show some love, guys. Show some love.
and definitely share with your girls and even boys if you are like if they are into this kind of conversation.
And this type of content. I think the content which we actually talked about is not very gender biased. You know, even a guy can understand. Like for me, if a male can listen to what sexism I felt,
Exactly.
and he does not do that to his team, I think that's a good story to listen to. And I really hope it reaches to more and more people. And like with your experience, with my experience, people learn, people understand, and like hopefully
World is a better place.
becomes world becomes a better place.
Yeah. One step at a time. So let's close.
Okay, bye.